Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Three.js versus WebGL, which is the best tool for web graphics right now. WebGL is a low-level API that gives us direct access to the GPU through JavaScript. It's extremely powerful, but also complex, meaning we write a lot of boilerplate code just to get basic shapes on screen. Three.js is a library built on top of WebGL. It simplifies everything. Instead of coding shaders and buffers manually, we can call ready-made functions for lights, materials, animations, and cameras. This makes it beginner-friendly and fast for prototyping. So here's the trade-off. If we want the full control and absolute performance tuning, WebGL is unmatched. But if we want faster development and easier learning, Three.js is hands down the better choice. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.